Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth earphone at work to your Redmi phone. Friends, you have paid any Bluetooth device. And friends, I have paid guys this and guys I have connected guys my earphone, Bluetooth earphone. And guys I want to forget this earphone to my phone. So friends, how can I forget today? I will show you in this video. So before starting video, when first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting and I scroll it. As you can see guys your Bluetooth settings. So guys click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys. And then guys you can see guys this Ubon CL20 guys we have connected in our phone fan. We want to forget. So right side tap here. As you can see and rename option. Friends you want to rename this device name. You want to change this Ubon CL20. So guys you can change from here guys. I will not change guys. I will click on unpair option to forget. Then it will forget to your phone guys. We will off it. So you cannot use guys this Bluetooth earphone with your phone guys. If you use so you will have to connect again. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.